Welcome back to another craft tutorial. Hopefully you've got your craft kit. The first step for this picture frame that we're making is to paint your popsicle sticks. I set aside two that I knew would be in the back. You have to glue them to something to make it flat. So I did not bother painting those because nobody's going to see them. So I'm just adding some glue. You can paint all your popsicle sticks the same color. You can do multiple coats, you can do one coat, you can do a simple pattern, you can do no pattern. It is up to you. The only important thing to start off with is that you make sure that your first popsicle stick is not level with the top of the back popsicle sticks. You need it sticking like halfway off so that the top is like not exactly even with that back popsicle stick. Otherwise you won't have enough room at the bottom for your last popsicle stick. You'll see if you lay it out, and hopefully your glue won't dry fast enough that you can't fix it if you screw it up, which can happen, and that's okay. If you need more popsicle sticks, I have so many popsicle sticks. Just come to the library and say, hey Laura, I need more popsicle sticks. I did what you did the first time you made this, and I will know what you mean. So you're going to paint glue down as you go. You can always use hot glue for this. That's totally fine. I just assumed not everybody had a hot glue gun at home, unlike my house where there I think are 5 hot glue guns, or at least were at some point during my childhood. If you at some point choose to get a hot glue gun, they're pretty inexpensive. Don't get a high heat hot glue gun. Don't do that to yourself. Your skin is delicate and will burn, and you don't need that in your life. Get a low heat hot glue gun and save yourself the pain that will come from a high heat hot glue gun. I really don't know why you need one of those in the day and age where we have low heat hot glue guns. So I'm trying to keep this even. So as I'm putting new ones on, I'm kind of pushing on the side so that it's kind of centered and level, because I don't want it to look like it's leaning in one direction or the other. Again, you do not have to be perfect with this. If you don't do that, that's okay. You can see my problem coming as you go. See how one of my popsicle stick ends is shorter than the other popsicle stick end. What will happen? I know, because this is me currently and we're watching me do this in the past. I will not have enough space, or rather I will have too much space on one side. So I have to fix it. So here I am shimmying all the popsicle sticks so that they're not actually leaning in one direction or the other. Oh, look at that. Oh, now it's beautiful. And yours will be too, I'm sure. So that's what it looks like in the back. And now it's time to get your E6000, not sponsored, just my favorite glue, because it's a flexible hold. This takes 24 hours to fully set, and it's kind of tacky in an hour. So don't touch this until tomorrow when you've made this. And then you can stick your command strips on the back and hang it where you want. And there's me attempting to make it perfect. There you go.